Morning everyone. In this video we will talk about how to find the standard form of our quadratic equation using the general format of it. So now we have here example number 1, which is y squared minus 12y minus 4x plus 28 equals 0. So before anything else, we will need to regroup our equation and try to write this again into the form of standard format. So we have this process. So quantity of y squared minus 12y is equal to 4x minus 28. We will transpose negative 4x and positive 28 into the other side of the equation. That will give us positive 4x and negative 28. Next, we will make this side of our equation a perfect square trinomial using the process of completing the squares with b over 2 squared. Take note, whatever value will be added here on the left side of our equation should be also added on the right side. So we have also here b over 2 squared. And b represents the numerical coefficient of our numerical coefficient of the second term, which is negative 12. So we have here negative 12 over 2 raised to 2. So we have negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6 raised to 2 is positive 36. That's why we have here positive 36 and also here. And we will try to find the factor of this. So the factor of y squared minus 12y plus 36 is the quantity of y minus 6 times y minus 6, or the form like this. We have the quantity of y minus 6 squared is equal to 4x. So negative 28 plus 36 is positive 8. So we have 4x plus 8. Take note that we need to find the standard form. That's why we have this. And from the characteristics that I shown you a while ago in our previous video, we have the form y minus k squared equals 4p times the quantity of x minus h. And the other one is x minus h squared equals 4p times y minus k. It's either of the two. But here in our first example, we have this form. We have the quantity of y minus 6 squared equals 4 times x plus 2. And now this is the standard form of our quadratic or of our parabola, which is y squared minus 12y minus 4x plus 28. This is the general format or general form, and this is the standard form. For example number 2, we have 2y squared plus 12y minus x plus 14 equals 0. For the solution, we have it here. We need to regroup our equation first. So we have 2y squared plus 12y equals x minus 4. Next, we need to factor out 2y squared plus 12y to eliminate 2 together with y squared. So we need to factor this out. We have 2 here, so 2y squared divided by 2 is y squared. 12y divided by 2 is 6y equals x minus 14. And now we will try to find its perfect square trinomial form. So we have here 6 over 2 squared, so 6 divided by 2 is 9. 6 divided by 2 is 3 raised to 2, that is 9. So therefore, we have here 9. Since on the other side of the equation, we also need to add a number added here. Instead of writing directly 9, we will multiply it by 2 since we have 2 here to make it balance. So we have 9 times 2, we have 18. So the factors of y squared plus 6y plus 9 is equal to y plus 3. If we're going to factor this out using the trial and error process, so you will get the factors, which are quantity of y plus 3 times quantity of y plus 3, or the binomial form of it, which is the quantity of y plus 3 squared. Don't forget to write 2. That is equal to x minus 14 plus 18. 9 plus times 2 is 18. So x minus 14 times plus 18 is equal to x plus 4. And also, for us to eliminate positive 2 on this side, we need to divide both sides of the equation by positive 2. So we have 2 times the quantity of x plus 3 squared divided by 2, and the x plus 4 divided by 2. We will eliminate this, and what will be left is the quantity of y plus 3 squared equals 1/2 times the quantity of x plus 4, since we have also here 1. Actually, we can write it as, this side can be also written as quantity of x plus 4 over 2. We can write this in this way. It's up to you. So this is now the standard form of our general format. For example number 3, we have x squared minus 6x minus 12y plus 21 equals 0. For the solution, we have the quantity of x squared minus 6x equals 12y minus 21. We rearrange and we transpose values into the other side of the equation. Next, we will find the perfect square trinomial of this side. So we have negative 6 here, divided by 2 is negative 3 raised to 2 is positive 9, equals 12y minus 21 plus 9. So we have here the factor of x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equal to the quantity of x plus 3 squared. Still, if you're going to factor this out using the trial and error process, it will give you the factors that are x minus 3 times x minus 3, or the binomial form of it, or the square of binomial format is the quantity of x minus 3 squared. So equals 12y minus 12, since 21 plus 9, negative 21 plus 9 is negative 12. So we have now quantity of x minus 3 squared. We will factor this out. We will get the common factor, which is 12. So 12y divided by 12 is y. Negative 12 divided by 12 is negative 1.